For today's video, I will share to you what I've seen this morning outside my house. You can see a nest in my plant there. So it was a nest. It is circle. So ayan guys, let's see what inside. Ayan guys, oh, I think there's a bird inside. Yeah, this is outside my window. Ayan. Here is my window. I will show you. Ayan guys, ayan, ito yung window ko. This is beside my room. Ayan, let's see what inside guys. Ayan, it is circle nest. Ayan, let's see. Let's see what's inside guys. I hope you see what's inside the nest. I see a 3 egg inside. And guys, you can see. And guys, ang tatlong egg. Yun guys, may egg sa loob. So ayan, sinira natin yung nest. Balik natin guys. Ayan. I'm so happy because there's a nest in my plants. So let's see what happened to the nest and to the eggs on next day, no? Okay guys, that's all for today's video. I only share to you what I've seen in when I opened my window this morning. And guys, have a blessed Sunday everyone, and I hope you are all happy. Thank you for the support in my channel, in my video, shorts video and live streaming. Thank you so much everyone. See you again in my next vlog, and let's wait what happened to the eggs on the next day, no? I will update you guys when when we see a bird inside the nest. I will update you, no guys. Thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.